Let's look at the top headlines first. Union Home Minister Amit Shah to visit More and Kangpokpi. Valley-based Churachandpur Medical College students demand for safer place for further studies. Congress team meets President over Manipur issue, high-level probe demanded. And curfew relaxed in Nepal East and West for 7 hours. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. In his third day in Manipur, Union Home Minister Amit Shah today visited More and talked with the civil society organization and leaders of different communities residing there. Leader and representatives of Kuki communities submitted memorandum demanding separate administration for Kuki inhabited areas. The talks went on for a long time, however, he did not assure anything. Later, the Union Minister visited Kangpokpi. The talk is going on there at the moment. An 8-member team of Congress led by party chief Mallikarjun Kharge yesterday met President of India Draupadi Murmu, apprising her of the situation in Manipur where violence erupted on May 3rd and demanded a probe by a high-level inquiry committee headed a serving or retired Supreme Court judge. Addressing a press conference at the party headquarters in Delhi after submitting the memorandum with the AICC, President Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh said, the delegation team wants to meet President Murmu over the Manipur issue. The delegation was led by Congress Chief Kharge and a 4-page memorandum was submitted and demanded what action should be taken. He further said the current crisis in Manipur is a result of BJP's divisive politics. Besides, the Manipur government's intelligence failed. He further demanded that there is a need for immediate identification of those who have died and handing their bodies over to the bereaved families for the last rites, and a special drive must be carried out to trace many numbers of missing people. The first-year MBBS students of Churachandpur Medical College from Imphal have urged the authority concerned to arrange some safer place for further study. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club at Major Call of first-year students, Thoiba said the unpredicted scene still hovering in his mind when he was in college hostel. At this juncture, he didn't want to study at Churachandpur Medical College. He drew the attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter at the earliest.
Go back to the Churachandpur. There is no there is traumatized of the student. Near our hostel, they are burned down the Metis quarters, and we will not forget that incident, and we get traumatized after that incident. Just now also we have traumatized, and we will not go back. And please, please government that arrange that we are attached to that safer place, just like Imphal, anything in Thoba also.
On the other hand, another medical student, Mangal, also mentioned that they were not safe in the college. Besides the present situation, he doesn't want to go back to Churachandpur and study further. He also drew the attention of the authority concerned to take up necessary action as soon as possible.
Feeling that we will never go back to the place where laws are no influence, where even a medical student will be harmed. So we want to ask the government to arrange, since the 60 out of 100 students are from the Valley, we want to study in the places where we feel safe, where our needs could be, our security is a priority things. So the only thing we want to propose to the government is please arrange in an area where laws are imposed, and I would like to study, or we love to study in those places.
So why do you feel unsafe? Are there any atrocities meted out by the miscreants?
During our stay in the hostel, we thought initially that our hostel was safe, but protesters and some armed people have come and encroached our area, and they have even taken a lot of our things, including our mobile phone. It has been also reported that our hostel has been partially roughed. That's why we don't feel safe now.
It has been detected that a Facebook account in the name of M. Premjoy Mite has uploaded comments intimidating the tribal brethren residing in Imphal City by inciting violence and creating panic and insecure feelings among the tribal communities. A press release issued by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR), the Imphal Police Station, has already registered a case, and after proper investigation, it is found that the said Facebook account is a fake one. In this connection, it is hereby appealed to the tribal communities residing in Imphal area not to panic and get intimidated by the fake comments generated in social media during the prevailing law and order situation. The government of Manipur is fully committed towards protecting the lives and properties of all the tribal communities for restoration of normalcy, peace and harmony. Appeal is also hereby made to the netizens of the state not to upload comments and pictures creating panic and sense of insecurity to any community, the press release added. Curfew has been relaxed in Imphal East and West till 11 a.m. today. Markets and shops were opened in both the districts. People rushed to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan on Tuesday said challenges in Manipur have not disappeared, but expressed hope that things will settle down in some time, while noting the situation in the northeastern state now is not related to insurgency. The death toll from clashes since ethnic rioting began on May 3rd in Manipur has gone up to 80, according to officials. Chauhan was in Pune on Tuesday to review the passing out parade of the 144th course of the National Defence Academy, NDA. Asked about the situation in Manipur, he told reporters that the Army Assam Rifles were deployed in Manipur before 2020. Since the challenges of the northeastern borders were far more, we were able to withdraw the army. Since the insurgency situation had normalized, we were able to do that. It is a clash between two ethnicities and a situation of law and order situation, he said. Senior IPS officer Rajiv Singh, currently the Inspector General of CRPF, has been sent to Manipur and is likely to be appointed to a key post to handle the prevailing security situation in the state. Singh, a 1993 batch IPS officer of the Tripura cadre, has been sent to Manipur on inter-cadre deputation for 3 years, according to an official order. The order also stated that Singh be relieved immediately to enable him to take up his new assignment. The transfer comes at a time Manipur is seeing ethnic conflict since violence broke out in the state on May 3rd, the toll of which has climbed to 80. The state witnessed a sudden spurt in clashes and firing between militants and security forces on Sunday after a relative lull for over a fortnight. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam test tofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam, hangfam, pothafam, gari parking, cafeteria yauna, marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyamgi seba taujari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana, hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi, clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Miyamda Kanganjaba UNACO School Chanungda Security Force Lairibasi School Asiga Karimta Mari Lainajade Mapam Sida Security Force Thamba Pamba Pamdaba Haibasi Miyamna Lepiu Miyamgi Warip Aduda Ekoi Saguchay Luinina Atopa UNACO Gi School Singda Security Force Amapauba Laisilak Palate Miyamna Hozik Hauriba Iho Asi Manipur Kannanaba Oibana UNACO Group Su Miyamgi Iho Asida Saru Yazari Kanghanjariba PRO UNACO School Chanung.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. 11 sports personalities from Manipur, including Olympic medal-winning weightlifter Saikomi Rabai Chanu, have written to Home Minister Amit Shah, urging him to find a solution to the ongoing crisis in the state. It is pertinent to mention that we shall surrender our awards if the centre fails to take necessary action to restore peace in Manipur soon, the letter states. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC on Tuesday launched a WhatsApp-based ticketing service on Airport Express line. Commuters will have to add the DMRC's official WhatsApp number 96508 55800 to their phone's contact list. A maximum of 6 QR code-based tickets can be generated for each passenger. PM Narendra Modi will launch BJP's month-long Maha Jan Sampark campaign in Rajasthan's Ajmer today to reach out to every voter in 543 Lok Sabha constituencies ahead of 2024 elections. During the Pan-India campaign, over 51 rallies, public meetings at over 500 places and over 600 press conferences will take place. Moreover, 5 lakh distinguished families will also be contacted. Addressing a gathering of the Indian diaspora in US, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that RSS and BJP are controlling all the instruments of politics in India. Prior to Bharat Jodo Yatra, we were finding that the normal tools that we use for politics, like holding conversations with people and having public meetings, were not working in India, Rahul added. India has decided to host the annual Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO summit in a virtual format on June 4th, the Ministry of External Affairs said. The summit will be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The in-house SCO summit took place in Uzbek city of Samarkand last year. North Korea launched a military spy satellite on Wednesday, but it crashed into the sea soon after an accident occurred during its flight, state media said. The satellite launch rocket failed because of instability in the engine and fuel system, state news agency KCNA reported. The launch rocket was supposed to put North Korea's first spy satellite in orbit. The 4-member crew of Axiom mission to the second all-private astronaut mission to International Space Station ISS is heading back to Earth in SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft. The spacecraft has undocked from ISS and is expected to splash down off the coast of Florida on Wednesday at around 8:30 a.m. IST. The mission carried the first Saudi Arabian woman to space. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah to visit More and Kangpokpi. Valley-based Churachandpur Medical College students demand for a safer place for further studies. Congress team meets President over Manipur issue, high-level probe demanded. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and West for 7 hours. That's all for now. Tune in at 3 p.m. for more news updates in English. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.